Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. That's in Steam. So in your Steam, so if you want to see the stats in your Steam, for example, you want to know what's the new game or what's the most popular game or what's the new game of this month, and there's a payment, or maybe you want to know if there's a new game that is free this month, or maybe what is the most played games for your school survey or something like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find them and where to see them. So first thing you need to do is open up your Steam. Once you open up your Steam, click on, oh no, I meant hover on store. Once you hover on store, go down to stats at the bottom. Click on stats. After clicking on stats, here are the stats of Steam. So as of now, if you want to see the top sellers on your Steam, just click here, top sellers. There you go. Here are the top sellers in Steam. There you go. Call of Duty. As you can see, Call of Duty Black Ops 6, the number one right here. And most played games on Steam. Let's see. What is it? You see Counter Strike, Banana, and Dota 2. So those are the most played games in Steam. And if you want to see the weekly charts, click on here. Here are the weekly charts. There you go. And if you want to see games that are released on September, just click right here. Or maybe August or maybe July, but let's just click on September. Here are the new release games of September. There we go. You can buy them all. One, three, and there you go. See the free ones that released on September. Just click on top free to play. There you go. And here you go. Here are the free ones that were released on September. And there you go. And as you can see here, there's more. There's DLC, sports, building, strategy, and new devs. And right here, here are the best of the year. So the best of the year are the games that are one of the best in Steam on that year. For example, 2023. Here are the best of 2023. Hogwarts Legacy, Call of Duty, Counter Strike, Dota 2. Those are the best of the year. There you go. Best of 2023. So yeah. So that is where you see your stats in the stats in Steam, and those are the stats in Steam. So, and a little bit of tip for you guys today, just click on chart overview and you'll see move to here. You don't have to click right here on the left, but just click here if you want. Like weekly, monthly, top new release, and weekly top sellers. You can just click on any of those. So yeah, hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.